And warm welcome to my channel Gift That Grows. Friends, today we'll talk about how can you take care of jade plant and how can you grow jade plant on your own through small cuttings. So before we begin, let's meet my beautiful jade plant. The small tree-like appearance and its oval-shaped leaves truly make me in love with this plant. The look of this plant is so appealing that it is commonly used as a decorative plant. So if taken care properly, this plant lives longer than expected. Friends, whenever we are bringing any plant indoor or outdoor in our homes, so we should have a basic idea about what is the kind of sunlight, what is the amount of sunlight that plant require, the water and the fertilizer. So talking about jade plant, the jade plant requires complete full sunlight to grow properly. You must have seen that sometimes the jade plant starts shedding its small leaves, and that is only because of the two reasons, that either the plant is not getting proper sunlight or it is watered too less. Second, regarding watering of this plant, do not make the proper schedule to water this plant. You should water the plant only when the top layer of this plant is a little dry when you're touching it. I have watered this plant yesterday only, that's why the soil is a little wet. Okay, so talking about the fertilizer, this plant does not require too much of the fertilizer. Once in every 6 months will be enough if you provide it with the fertilizer. So taking care of jade plant is not that easy, not that difficult. You just have to keep in mind that you have to keep it in complete sunlight, and you don't have to water it. Don't make the plant too soggy so that it causes root rot. So this was all about the care of jade plant. So now we'll talk about how can you plant jade plant on your own. So for this we will be needing, I'll be taking small cuttings from these branches. I have seen few of my friends are very scared of taking out the cuttings from these plants, but friends, I'll tell you, you will why when you're taking out the cuttings from these plants, so these many sub branches come out from the main branch and it becomes more dense and bushier. So I'm taking 4 to 5 cuttings from this plant, and now I'll keep this aside. This is the small pot which I have taken. I'll keep few leaves on the top and I'll get rid of the rest of the leaves, so that at least 1.5 to 2 inches of the stem is inside the soil. I've taken 5 cuttings here, and you can see that I have removed leaves of around 1 inch, so that this part of the cutting can be put inside the soil. So now I am making small holes so that I can plant these cuttings. I'm just making these holes and putting inside. In the soil I have just added 1/4 of the vermicompost, and rest is soil and a little bit of water, and I have readied this plant, this pot 2 days back. So the soil is still moist, as you can see. Now I have planted these cuttings, and in around 1.5 to 2 weeks these cuttings will start growing small roots, and you will see that small leaves will start propagating from the top of these cuttings. Two things that are very important whenever you are planting any cuttings is that you have to plant it in the evening, and secondly, put very little of the water for initial 1 or 2 days, so that the soil, the cutting and the moisture can connect to each other, because overwatering can misplace these cuttings, and they can lose their connect with the soil. So I'll show you my 2 plants which I have grown by the same technique, and I have grown it around 1.5 month back. and look at how long the cuttings have grown. And after a week, I just want to remind one more point, that after a week you have to put this pot in complete sunlight. So you can see that this cutting starts growing, that's growing well. So I'm the kind of person who loves being surrounded by plants, so I keep growing baby plants on my own, and in few months these plants start growing. So keep growing more and more plants. My next video will be about how can you grow a spider plant on your own, and what are the things that you need to take care when you are bringing a spider plant to home. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Stay tuned. Please like and subscribe my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.